going to be making some salmon patties tonight. We've got a nice pot of pinto beans on over there, and salmon patties go so good with pinto beans. My husband calls them salmon patties. I call them salmon patties, and we had a really funny discussion about it. I looked it up and it was pronounced salmon patties, I think. But whatever you call them, I'm going to make them. Let's get started on that, and I'm going to bring you down here so you can see what I'm doing.
First, you'll need a can of wild Alaskan pink salmon, and go ahead and open that can. Pour the liquid into a medium-sized bowl. Now I'm going to take the skin off, and the black you're seeing there was the skin, and go ahead and open that up. You can lay one piece aside. And I take that skin off, and I'm looking for bones. I don't like any bones in my salmon patties. But if you do, you do you. I've been told that it's healthy for you. I've even read that. But no, I'm not going to eat any bones in my salmon patties, and I do not like that skin. I am so particular about this that I honestly don't think anyone's ever told me they found a bone in my salmon patties. I do use the liquid from the can. It's just water. Add 1 egg. Give that a stir. And then we are going to add some flour and cornmeal. And you're going to use about 1/3 cup of each. Mix this really well. You don't want any chunks. Grab the canola oil. Canola oil is best when you're frying. Grab a skillet, and you're just going to put enough in there to coat the bottom. And grab a plate, a paper towel. Lay that aside because you're going to need it.
Video footage of me making the salmon patties did not turn out. I'll quickly walk you through how I actually pat out these salmon. First of all, you want to keep your hands wet when you're patting these out. Just grab a little bit of it, maybe about 2 tablespoons worth, and then start rolling it in a ball. And then when you get it in your hand, just start curving it around and around, and you can make the perfect circle for these salmon patties. My apologies that I didn't get that footage. And I think I have a galley napper in my house. We have galley nappers everywhere. But that's how you pat out those salmon patties. Now we're going to cook them.
Now I've already placed my salmon patties into the hot oil, and you do want this hot before you put it in there. And you're going to play with the temperature from high to medium as you go. But go ahead and let those cook a little while, and you can kind of check them with the spatula, and go ahead and flip them. You are going to need the thinnest metal spatula you have. And we want to get these a really pretty golden brown. And sometimes you just have to play around with them, move them around. Just grab that handle on that skillet and that spatula. And don't be scared, this is really easy to do. Now I'm placing them on the paper towel. You will actually know these are done. They look like they're popping open. Go ahead and add some salt.
These are so good. If you want to keep these crispy, do not cover them. Just put them in the microwave until you're ready to serve them.